gonna show you today how to make shrimp pasta with bumbu kuning less than 10 minutes. It's very quick, easy and simple, and it's flavorful. Okay, handful of pasta and of course with your boiling water. Okay, let them boil and then you put your pasta inside. Don't cut it. Italian will really angry if you cut your pasta, okay? Don't do that at home. What you need to do, just dump the pasta here. Ta-da! 8 to 10 minutes, make it al dente. While the pasta cooking here, then we're gonna make the sauce. What we're gonna use today, it's Bumbu Kuning, which is curry, but it's not curry. It's from Indonesia. It's basically turmeric, cumin, coriander, garlic, galangal, ginger, candlenut, you name it. Everything is here. Any type of oil, I'm using canola oil. If you do butter, 2 spoons of Bumbu Kuning, okay? 1, 2, 3 spoons of Bumbu Kuning there. So you're gonna have a deeper flavor. A coconut milk, half cup of coconut milk. Just half cup, okay? All right then, so you stir it. Okay, make sure you mix all of them. Take a look at the color, it's already so good. You see that like curry, but it's not curry. Let me try a little bit. 8 to 10 cherry tomatoes, just put it there. Put the shrimp a lot. Do maybe like 6 to 8 shrimp. Then you can put your parmesan. Yeah, 2 handfuls, I guess. Yeah, 2 handfuls, okay? Ta-da! And you can always add more. Take a look at this shrimp, okay? When the shrimp still kind of like open like that, you need to cook a little bit more until they are like this. Like they are not hugging each other. When you hug yourself, that's the sign the shrimp is cooked. Let me try the saltiness. Facciamo bene. We are cooking Italiano, so we speak Italiano. Dump it here. Ta-da! Okay. See the shrimp? Oh my gosh, looks so good. And the smell. Oh my gosh, I want to eat as soon as possible. I'm gonna add more parmesan, okay? I didn't put any salt because this parmesano is only salty. Already salty. If you want to put salt, by all means, put more salt. Pasta is ready. Put it there. And then I want to put more parmesan. Parmesan over here. You can set up all of the chingilingi on the top. So now I'm gonna put the tomato on the top so it's look nice. Our pasta, shrimp and bumbu kuning look delicioso, so we have to try. I'm gonna use my hand, okay? We use hand in Indonesia when we eat. Oh my god. I don't know. It's kind of like taste that you don't expect it when you mix cheese with this bumbu kuning. It tastes, you can't explain. It's so good. Okay guys, you have to cook this at home. Click the link below in our description. Go buy the seasoning because I guarantee will make your food tastier. I'm gonna eat. I'm continue eating. Yeah, but